Hello, Alex. Can you hear me? Alex, can you hear me? Hey guys, I know you can probably see me, but can you hear me? Well, that's a good thing. I'm trying this other system out. Well, I don't know what to tell you about Ken. Alex, can you turn your speaker up a little bit? I can make mine a bit louder. Hold on. Let me see if I can make this a bit louder. Is that better, Alex? This is just a test. Like I said, I'm using this OBS system rather than the X split because I noticed that I am freezing up on my end here, and I don't know if I'm freezing up on you guys' end. I called my internet company, and they told me that there's a problem between my modem, my modem and my computer. Well, if there's a problem between, that must mean that there's a bad wire, is what I'm thinking. But they want me to buy some kind of information package. I mean, insurance package, and I'm not going to do that. So I might not be able to do live streams. So I don't know if you guys heard all that, if I'm frozen up on you, or now I'm not frozen anymore. Now I seem to be moving. So am I moving on your end? Do you see me moving? See my mouth moving? And scratching. All right, well that's a good thing, I guess, because like I said, I'm trying this new platform out for live streaming, and I want to see if it works. If it works better than the other one, but you see, I seem to be freezing up on my end quite a bit. It doesn't say it's buffering or anything. It's just saying. So it's telling me I have a bad internet connection is what it's telling me up here at the top. And now I lost me. Oopsie. That's what I thought. So you guys see me okay? I mean, because it's telling me I have a bad internet connection right here. Trying to get the best one for my Friday night streams, you know? Wow. Okay. How you doing, Northern Cali trains? It's kind of weird that you guys are moving, and it's saying that YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth streaming. To maintain smooth streaming, as such, viewers will experience buffering. Well, that's very cool to know, I guess. And my internet won't do anything. Hi, Steve. How you doing? How's it going, you guys? This is just a test right now. I don't know how long we're going to stay here. It'll be a few minutes. But anyhow, I'm just trying to figure out if you guys see the full version of this, if I'm speaking and if you hear me and if I'm moving and all of that kind of stuff. Hey, Robert, how's it going? Yeah, like I said, guys, this is just a test. I want to see if this is working. Apparently, it is. Uh, at work. That's funny. A lot of you guys do that from work. I was talking to someone earlier who was on his lunch break that was 3 hours away from me. So yeah, it was pretty funny actually. Ah, vid glitch. Okay, what's going on, William? Few drop, few drop frames, camera back. Let me see. Somebody just texted me. Let's see who that is. People always complaining. A few drop frames, but camera back. Okay. Well, that could be normal. It says that you guys might be experiencing some buffering. Um, like I said, I just got off the phone with my internet service, and they're telling me the problem is not with them, but it's something wrong with my computer. And I said, well, all of a sudden it just started happening. I don't understand that. Well, you're gonna have to buy this insurance, and we'll come out there and fix whatever has to be fixed. I said, well, wait a minute. I'm leasing this stuff from you guys, so if something goes wrong with it, you should be able to take care of it. My thoughts. I mean, if you lease a car and you have a problem with it, you bring it back and they fix it, and they don't charge you. Oh well, we'll see what happens. I just want to make sure that you guys can hear me and you guys can see me actually moving, because when I do Friday night, there's going to be some demonstrations, and I want you guys to be able to see the demonstrations. This is going for 10 minutes already, and I guess I'll have to see it when it loads up into YouTube to see if it actually worked and what's going on with it and so on and so forth. Because like I said, on my end right here, I am totally frozen. I've been frozen for the last 8 minutes on that one. But on my OBS system, I can see myself moving and talking. So I know the camera is working, and I know my part is working up to transmitting it out to you guys. Now it seems like Now it seems like we've got a little bit better internet. Viewers may be experiencing minor issues, is what it's saying to me. So anyhow, if you guys are all saying that it works and it's working good, then I guess I could just hang out here for a little bit and chat with you guys. It's good to hear, Northern Cali. Isn't your name Jerry? Hey Stan, how's it going? That's what I thought. And I just gave you some suggestions on your layout that you just did. Is that correct? You just did a layout, a new layout drawing? No, William, I know it's my end. It went from red to orange or yellow right now, so it should be a little bit better. Um, and like I've been saying, I called my internet service and they said, well, if you pay for this insurance, we'll come out there and take care of it for you. And I said, well, I'm not going to buy insurance because I'm leasing this stuff from you guys and I don't see why I should pay. Did you understand the changes I was talking about there, Jerry? Basically what I'm saying is where your freight station is, don't make that a loop. Come around from your yard just the way you got it and cut it right before the engine facility. No, the office is not that close. I mean, it's close, but not that close. I'd have to, go about maybe 4 or 5 miles or whatever. So that was for you, William. Back to you, Jerry. What I was saying was give yourself a little bit of a challenge on the operations on that part of your layout. If you cut the track right after it leaves the freight sorry, right after it leaves the freight terminal, going towards the engine facility, cut the track just before there, and make that a runaround right there. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. So anyhow, all right, if you guys are saying that it's all working, I guess there's nothing else I can do. If you guys want to chat for a little bit, we're going 14 minutes right now. We'll make it 20 minutes and we'll call it good for today. All right. Thank you, Stan. I appreciate the feedback. Yeah, you just need to give yourself a little bit of a challenge on that layout, because right now it's pretty much everything going around in a circle. Could get boring after a while. And I'm just trying to help you, trying to make decisions before you actually get into it. It's something to think about, And if you take, let's see, I'm seeing no sign of glitches. Everything looks good. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate the input. Because I'm worried about it, because I see myself on the YouTube page, I'm frozen. on my OBS program, I see myself moving and talking. So I don't know, what is going on. Okay, talk to you later, William. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about, Joe. You'll have a little bit more fun doing it that way. And also at where the turnout comes into the first turnout that comes into the freight station, and then you have a second turnout that comes off of that first track. You could eliminate that section right there just by moving the turnout back close to the other turnout, and then you'll be able to have your 3-track going into there. I wish there was a way I could just point out these things to you on your drawing, But I think you'll get it once you start looking at it a little bit closer. All right, we got 16 minutes going on here, and look at this. It gives me a wow. It gives me a whole stream health down here. What time is it now? It's 12:22. So 12:15, it said, okay, check resolution. Please check the video resolution. The current resolution is 960 by 540, which is not optimal. Okay. Well, thank you for telling me that. Wow, that's pretty cool. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, no problem, Jerry. If you need help, that's what we're here for, just to help each other out. Uh-huh. So, anyhow, we got 18 minutes going on here. I think we're going to call it good for now. So, be on the lookout for Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll be doing part 2 of Scratch Building with VBS. Anyhow, take care, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.